friends, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can create a digital marketing website on WordPress using Astra theme. So this is very simple and easy. So let's go to our website, and here we'll show you how we can create a digital marketing website on WordPress using Astra theme. So in that case we need to install Astra theme first. So just go to the appearance and themes and click on add new. Okay, so, and once you click on add new, you can see there are many more themes are available in WordPress market. So just we need to install this theme Astra. Just install this theme first. Okay, as we are going to build a website using Astra theme, so need to install this. Now you can see it's installed, and once installed we need to activate this theme. So you can see it's getting activated. Now it's activated. Okay, the theme has been activated, right? Now we need to add some demo for digital marketing website. So here you can see Astra options has been appeared, and now we are going to add a custom layouts, right? So click on here, go to appearance, go to Astra, and you can see the option for custom layouts. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see these things, right? Okay, and you need to click on starter templates. Just click on starter template first, and once you click on it, you can see a little pop-up will be appeared, right? So just install and activate these templates, starter templates. So I'm going to install this one, install and activate. Just click the link button. Okay, it's getting installed. Okay, it's installing now. You can see it's installed and it's activated. Okay, so now we're going to build our website using this theme. So at the bottom you can see the button called build your website now. Just click on this button. Okay, and here you can see three options for WordPress block editor, Elementor, and viewer builder. Whatever you want you can. So as of now we are going to use Elementor builder as because this is very lightweight builder, so we'll use this one. It's very easy to manage, so I'm just click on it, Elementor. Okay, so once you click on Elementor, you can see a lot of templates available over there, and we are going to add our digital marketing website templates, right? So if you can search digital something like this, okay, you can see digital agency that this is very simple layouts, we can use that. So I'm just click on over there. Okay, you can see the demo. Now you can see the demo and click on skip and continue button. Okay, you can change the colors, everything. Okay, fonts, whatever you need you can. I'm just going to click on continue button. Okay, so just click on this, agree to receive your newsletter. You can check or uncheck whatever you want, and these are the checkbox needs to be checked, and the install required plugin will automatically install. Okay, so I'm just submit and build my website button. You can click here. Okay, just click on this button, and now you can see the themes and layouts are getting imported. As per the Astra theme, the layouts are getting imported. Now you can see 100% is completed. Okay, now you can visit your website. Just click on this button, view your website. Okay, Now you can see your digital marketing website, digital marketing templates has been installed, and these layouts are implemented with Elementor Builder, and whenever you want to edit, you can easily edit the pages something like this. So this is our home page. If you would like to change this text, you can just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so once you click on it, you can see the editing options over there. Okay, it's downloading, you can see, and yeah, now you can change your text whatever you need. Okay, you can delete or edit whatever you want, you can. Okay, you can change this text as well. You can see here is the text, you can change. Okay, for testing purpose, if I add something like this, you can see the text is adding over there. So this is the way you can easily edit the text and images, everything from editing Elementor Builder. This is for home page. Okay, so and if you would like to add any section, you can just click on over there, you can add a new section. Okay, you can add videos, something like this. Okay, you can add your videos and whatever. So this is for home page editing, and you can preview this page. Just click on here, you can preview the home page. Okay, now you can see the video added over there, and you can see the about us page as well, about us page. So here you can also edit this page from edit with Elementor. Okay, and same as for contact, you can add multiple pages as per your need. You can change your location area, you can change the form, you can change the phone number, whatever. So everything will be managed through Elementor Builder, and this is the good one for Astra theme, and this is the good layout for digital marketing website. So you can see how I can easily use Astra theme and easily imported layouts for digital marketing website. So this is the way we can easily create a digital marketing website in 10 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever, and you can change the text and images as per your needs. That's it. Thank you.